fluid analysis and oil analysis is obviously just one component of being able to tell the full asset health. And I guess I'm curious, how do your customers utilize different data sets to help really tell a full picture of that asset health?
Well, I'm a strong believer that fluid analysis is probably one of your most early warning devices to see when something's going wrong. The other data sets cannot and should not be ignored. Integrating that data becomes so important. Customers today are getting data from a wide range of sources. They're probably doing ultrasound, thermography, vibration analysis. They're also getting responses back from mechanic and operator walk-around reports. They're doing fluid analysis. And it can be quite cumbersome to go out and look at all these data sets when they're departmentalized. And if you can integrate that data into a single platform and compare data sets side by side, it just gives you such a better picture, an overall picture of what's happening with the equipment, the ability to look beyond individual components or equipment types and see that bigger picture of what's happening with my fleet or all the gearboxes in my facility or all the hydraulic systems, and start looking for common causes of occurrences, getting down to the root cause level and taking proactive maintenance steps to prevent those issues from happening again. It's one of the reasons POLARIS Laboratories developed Data Connect, a great secure way to integrate directly with your maintenance management platform.